Hello, my name is Will Holtz, and here is my page 70 and 71 assignment. So, don't know how well it shows, but so here is the incomplete figure. Use the figure below 5 minutes. So, I gave myself 5 minutes. I started by flipping it upside down because I had like no inspiration. And then I drew the circle, which didn't really help, to be honest. Then I kind of turned it into the ocean on the bottom and a wave. But then I was drawing in pen, so I still had the circle. So I just pretended it was the like a sun setting, like a surfer in front of the sun setting. So that was that, and then divide the figure into four equal parts. I'm assuming this is a pretty common answer. So that was that. Then for this candle wax thumbtack problem, I drew where is it? You can't really see, but I drew an example of what I would do. I would use the thumbtacks to secure the cardboard box to the wall, and then just put the candle inside the box so the box catches all the wax. And then for my Brazil case study, the problem number 7. Let's see. Let's go through it. I'll just skip to the last page. This one. So for most of them, I went with the unable to tell based off the evidence. I did probably true for the expected radiation because they brought the mass. Probably true they were conducting some sort of experiment because everything was like timed out really precisely. And so there was a lot of thought went into it. Probably false for they were murdered just because of the lack of like harm done to their bodies, and probably false for suicide because probably false for a violent fight was the other probably false, because once again the bodies did not seem like they had any like bruising or stuff like that. And then for what probably happened, I said I went with the theory that they were doing an experiment and it went wrong, just because of the evidence in the notebook and that they bought a return ticket. It says that they were not really planning on dying. And then what was my evidence? Mainly just the notebook. So that led me to think it's an experiment, and the fact that the toxology, or not the toxology, but when they examined the bodies, there wasn't any like obvious signs of foul play. A couple questions I had was, why was the toxology and organ storage? Why did that not really follow the protocol? And then where did the money go? So those were my couple questions that I came up with. Yeah, so great. Thank you.